kafu, ja ne mogu da radim. Ova baza me toliko izluđuje da mi mozak ne radi i prsti me ne slušaju, ne mogu da napravim ovu konekciju. Jel bi mogao neko od vas, molim vas, da mi donese kafu?
What is he saying?
I think he says that he needs updated database tables. So, yeah?
Kafu.
Ask him if we need to update the security protocol as well.
Zdravo.
Zdravo, kafa mi treba.
Yeah. He says yes, and we also need to update the API tokens.
But you know, this sucks. It's like playing the whispering game. If it wasn't for his contact network...
Yeah! This is exactly like an API!
Yeah.
You know, this is what we're doing. What you're doing is exactly how an API works. When two systems want to talk to each other without knowing the same language, they can bring in a middleman, the API, to enable the communication. Hello!
Hello. Zdravo.
Zdravo. An API is often used as a middleman to communicate with the SaaS platform. Traditional systems would directly access data, like Daniel here, talking to Marco without the translator.
Zdravo.
Zdravo.
But with an API, it's like Daniel sending his question to me first.
Hello.
Hello. And let me do the talking.
Brate, mili, hoće li mi neko od vas dvojice doneti kafu, ako možete, molim vas. Ja ne znam o čemu vi pričate sve ovo vreme. Da može kafu?
Right. That means I don't need to know how to speak Serbian. I just need to know how to speak Tukang.
Exactly, but in real life, APIs come with challenges such as security and permissions, and a whole lot of errors. And that is why we use standardized rules like REST APIs to make communication safer and easier.
Interesting API facts, for sure.
I rest my case.
The more you know.
Ne vredi. Moram sam da idemo espresso house po kafu.
Zdravo. Zdravo! And welcome to the Secret Tech Club, a video series where we make tech fun and approachable. Today my special guests are Marco, full stack developer, and Daniel, our SEO master.
Thanks.
Is that SEO expert, right?
Yeah, I can say that.
Yeah. And today we're gonna talk about APIs. And to make this session as pleasant as possible, we have finally provided Marco with his cup of coffee.
I'm awake.
Marco, was it hard to learn Serbian to play at the party in our skit?
Yeah, I spent like 40 years to learn it, so...
So it's very authentic and believable.
Yeah. But it took time.
Yeah, and you really enjoyed playing in our skit, didn't you?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. A lot of laughing and really cool ideas that made me laugh, so really cool experience.
Yeah. And Daniel, his acting prowess is already well established at Zuma. Maybe not to the external world, but the internally. We are we all know you, and but this was the first time you played in a scripted.
It was.
Yeah.
So it was fun.
Yeah, it was amazing. I was pulled into Daniel's zone, so I really believed I was there. I think you do, right?
Yeah, it was authentic.
Yeah. Okay, but let's take the chance to remind our viewers that our skits are all in good fun, and in reality, we are very professional, solid communicators, and we speak English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And most importantly, we love speaking about tech. And today we're gonna speak about APIs. Okay, so does anyone here know what API stands for? You know? No, you're the developer, you should know.
Application program interface, right?
Yeah, application programming interface. The full, what a full stack guy we have here.
What a fool.
What a full stack.
No, we need to. Okay, should we stop?
No,
Okay.
it's great.
But ask me again, because that's stupid. Like,
Okay, what is API?
application programming interface.
Wow, that was really fast. Okay, but I did worry about this episode because it is a pretty technical concept, APIs. But when I did research, I discovered that it's actually something that we get in contact with every day without thinking about it. And I have a little list here about the daily API examples. But can anyone guess what kind of interactions I will say?
Yeah, probably.
Full stack
I don't know what we need to talk about. Sorry.
You can just guess.
Okay, the examples.
What guess, like swish or guess?
Yeah,
guess. Ah,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Sorry.
So yeah, Swish is a great example. Our app need to communicate with the banks.
Maybe when you're using a weather app or something, it's probably yeah.
Yes. I don't think the weather app makers have their own satellite.
No.
So
They are
they
fetching the data from somewhere.
Also, when you book flight tickets, you have these what do you call these aggregators? They pull tickets from different flight agencies, flight companies.
There is a name for these kind of
Yeah,
websites.
there's a professional name that
yeah.
native Swedish people don't know.
No.
Okay, last is the smart home devices that need to interact with different services. So yeah, APIs are something that we use every day, but today we're gonna explain a little bit how they work. And in our skit, we mentioned REST APIs because it's a very commonly used protocol, or what we call it in the skits, we call it commonly used rules. Yeah. But we, in technical terms, we call them protocol. And you, Marco, have prepared a mini lesson for us, haven't you?
I think it's good to start from the definition and from the beginning. So the REST means a representational state transfer, and it's an architectural style for designing distributed systems as APIs, and it was originally defined by Roy Fielding in his 2000.
Boring.
Not interesting.
Okay.
You have to do better.
Okay, let's talk about the pizza restaurant then.
Okay, so imagine the REST API as a pizza place, but instead of phone calls, we use an ordering app. Every time the app needs something from the restaurant, like getting the menu or placing the order, it needs to send a request. All requests go to the restaurant's special addresses. Think phone numbers. These are endpoints. Now, what you do at each endpoint depends on the method you use, like looking at the menu, placing an order, or tracking your delivery. The four most common methods are get, post, put, and delete. Yeah, I know, right? These keywords almost make total sense. Let's say you just want to see the menu. With the get method, you're asking, hey, what pizzas do you have today? The pizza place replies with the success code and the list. That's your status and response. When you're ready to order, you send a post request along with your order details, also known as the payload. In return, the API gives you an order number, your personal tracking code. You need to save that one. Because if you want to change your order later, use put with that number along with your update details. What? 200? Oh, mamma mia. And if you panic, then completely change your mind, delete, cancel it. So yeah, that's basically how REST APIs work and how most of our apps and systems communicate with each other.
That sounds like a public buffet. But what if you're running an exclusive restaurant and want to restrict access to VIPs only?
Yeah, that's a good point. If you want to only grant access to the VIP members only, then you need to add authentication to the whole process. And that means that you need a membership number in order to get access to the services. And if you don't have a valid membership number, then your access is denied.
You okay, Daniel? Looks like you're zoning out.
Yeah, but it's been a tough night. My kid didn't want to sleep.
Oh, that happened to me as well yesterday. My daughter.
So I called the cops.
What? Why?
Because my kid clearly needed a rest.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about GraphQL as well. That's an alternative to REST. So if a REST is like calling a pizza restaurant and ordering from the existing menu with set options, GraphQL could be thought of as a mobile pizza ordering app where inside the app you can choose all of the extra options and the different choices in the app and then send it in only one request. So, to repeat, with REST you are limited to fixed choices, and with GraphQL you get everything you want in only one go.
So instead of REST you use Graph.
Cool. Thank you, Marco, for the amazing lecture about REST. Now, let's put that to rest, or what do you say?
Yeah, let's
I
go.
took your promise.
Let's go to rest.
Yeah, let's do that. I hope you liked this episode. We had so much fun filming it. So until next time, keep learning. Bye bye.
Bye bye. A natural.
Da li bi neko mogao da se kao? Da li neko može da...
Secure.
Ne razumem.
What does he say?
I think he won't let me do the talking. You have to be faster.
Ne ready. You and Daniel.
We are afraid.
And delete methods. If you want to restrict access... Okay, I'll do it. Just give me...
He's gonna do it now.
Yeah,
This time he will do it.
this is it. That sounds like...
What the heck?
I'm okay.
The blooper reel is gonna be epic for this
I'm not
episode.
okay. Okay.
Okay, that sounds like a public buffet. But what?
Oh, man.
What if you're running an exclusive restaurant and want to restrict access to VIPs?
Need a rest.
A rest.
And then you just look at
no.
us deadpan. Arrest. That's a style
I
job.
was thinking, well, what was the funny thing in this?
Oh, that happened to me as well. I also...
So I put... No, so I put him to sleep.
You're asking, hey, what the pizza do you have today? Oh, that was stupid. Hey, what